One of the marquee clients for Dirt Doctors Cleaning Services is Heinz History Center. We provide a variety of cleaning services from restroom cleaning, post-party cleaning, stripping and waxing, and buffing the Great Hall. We help make Heinz shine. Another one of our marquee clients is the Pittsburgh Pirates. We provide cleaning to the players' clubhouses after every home game. By removing unwanted germs and contaminants, we help keep the players healthy and on the field. We also provide cleaning for churches and event spaces. This is the fellowship hall of a local church that we clean 3 times a week. One of the challenges of cleaning a church or another type of an event space is working around all of their meetings. With our flexible scheduling and staffing, we have been able to maintain a relationship with this church for over 20 years. So whether you're looking to hire a cleaning service for the first time, or you're just not happy with your current service, we would love to show you how Dirt Doctors can help with all of your cleaning needs. Check us out at dirtdoctorscleaning.com.